Remove the 3 millions adhesive and lens protective film from the back. Affixed above the windshield. The host and bracket can be separated, convenient to take down the machine alone. Then connect the power cord, GPS antenna, and rear cam wire. Hide the GPS antenna in the gap above the windshield. Open the A-pillar. Route the power cord along the A-pillar. Find out the fuse box place. Use a multimeter to measure the power positive pole, ECC, and ground positions. Then connect the wire. Install the rear cam. Route along the car frame. Can use car door frame adhesive strips to hide wires. Put the fuse box cover back. Start the car power supply. The recorder starts normally. It means that the installation is correct. The V2000 dualdashcam is now installed.